Simplify 3x empowers businesses with SimplifyQA, an AI-powered platform for comprehensive application lifecycle management, offering advanced testing, automation, and seamless integrations. Let's dive deeper into the features. Admins rejoice. Custom layouts, user invites, and easy switching between admin and user roles. Elevate team collaboration. With SimplifyQA, you can effortlessly invite users to projects, fostering teamwork. Anyone can request access to any project for swift approval. Highly customizable and tailored to your preferences. Tailor your ALM experience like never before. We believe in the power of personalization. Take control by adding custom fields and designing the layouts to make SimplifyQA uniquely yours. Elevated data visualization. Your canvas, your masterpiece, your way. Empower your data visualization with a customizable dashboard. Tailor your graphs and metrics to your unique needs. Navigate your data landscape like a pro. Our customizable dashboard allows you to create meaningful metrics and graphs that speak your language. Effortlessly manage requirements and plan releases with precision. A kaleidoscope of task management. Dive into the realm of versatile task management. SimplifyQA offers you an exotic view, timeline, board, table, calendar, matrix, and team view to ensure your projects are as visual and organized as your imagination. Revolutionizing Agile Release Management. Agile Release Management reimagined. From sprint planning to deployment, we streamline your path to success, ensuring your team stays focused on what matters the most, delivering value. Evolution of test cases. Witness the evolution of test cases in a more meaningful way. Convert manual tests to automation and vice versa, effortlessly adapting to your changing. Say goodbye to complexity. SimplifyQA gives you a phenomenal experience with the transition of representing the test steps. Turn your test cases into functions with a breeze. Our innovative approach ensures an easy and intriguing way to enhance your workflow. Experience the power of Excel in test data management. SimplifyQA provides a user-friendly and efficient way to handle your data. Flexible and efficient test case execution options. Execute your test case now on your local machine, the cloud, or a remote machine. Select multiple browsers for execution and optimize your testing process by scheduling test cases for later. You can choose between parallel or serial execution to save time and enhance efficiency. Workflow Builder. It enables users to visually assemble comprehensive workflows by linking individual test cases, reusable functions, and test suites. By providing an intuitive interface, it simplifies the organization and management of complex testing processes, ensuring thorough coverage of the entire workflow. AI-based optimized test data generation for automated test cases. Test data generation feature transforms automated testing by utilizing advanced AI algorithms to create high-quality, diverse, and relevant test data. This ensures comprehensive coverage, enhanced accuracy, and faster test execution. Auto Custom Code Generation is an innovative technology that generates high-quality, efficient code for custom methods by reducing the time and effort required for manual coding, minimizes errors, and ensures adherence to coding standards. SimplifyQA's AI-based self-healing for object recognition. SimplifyQA integrates advanced AI for autonomous self-healing and object recognition for streamlined test automation. Our solution proactively identifies and resolves issues like occlusions and lighting variations, ensuring consistent and reliable performance without manual intervention. AI generation of daily Scrum notes. Automatic user story generation in SimplifyQA. SimplifyQA's automatic user story generation feature intelligently creates user stories based on project requirements, saving time and ensuring consistency. This AI-powered tool enhances productivity by quickly generating detailed and accurate user stories, allowing teams to focus on development and delivery. Automated API test case generation with AI, zero effort required. Experience seamless API testing with our AI-driven solution that automatically generates comprehensive API test cases. Say goodbye to manually creating API test cases. We ensure to create accurate and thorough test cases, ensuring robust API validation. Test data formulas. Effortlessly generate random data with ease. Use powerful formulas to create specific types of data tailored to your needs. A world of integrations. Step into the universe of possibilities with SimplifyQA. SimplifyQA seamlessly integrates with your favorite third-party tools, creating an ecosystem of endless power and potential. Upgrade to SimplifyQA today and revolutionize your testing process.